Hey everyone! Did you know that watermelon juice can be an absolute game changer for your hydration and overall health? Today, we're diving into the luscious world of frozen watermelon juice and grapes. And trust me, you won't want to miss this. First off, let me grab your attention. How many of you struggle to stay hydrated during the hot summer months? If you're like most people, you probably reach for sugary drinks or sodas to quench your thirst. But what if I told you that having fresh watermelon juice can not only keep you hydrated, but also provide an array of health benefits? Intrigued? Let's explore how amazing watermelon and grapes really are. Okay, let's break it down. Watermelon is composed of about 90% water, making it one of the most hydrating fruits you can consume. And those vibrant pink slices, they're packed with vitamins A and C, which are fantastic for your skin and immune system. Drinking watermelon juice allows you to reap the benefits of these nutrients while enjoying that deliciously refreshing flavor. But wait, there's more. Watermelon is rich in an amino acid called citrulline, which promotes blood flow and can even help reduce muscle soreness. So, if you enjoy working out or just want to feel energized, incorporating watermelon juice into your routine might be just what you need. Now let's talk about grapes. These bite-sized beauties are not just delicious but also rich in antioxidants, particularly resveratrol, which is known for its heart-healthy benefits. Grapes can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, making them excellent for heart health. They also provide vitamins C and K, contributing to skin health and bone strength. Combining these two fruits in our juice gives you a powerhouse of health benefits that can leave you feeling revitalized and refreshed. Now imagine sipping on a tall glass of chilled watermelon and grape juice on a hot summer day. With every sip, you're not just enjoying a tasty drink. You're nourishing your body with vital nutrients and giving yourself that blissful feeling of refreshment. Let's take a moment to think about what would happen if you made it a habit to drink this juice every day for 7 days. What changes would you see in your body? Increased hydration. You'll likely notice your hydration levels skyrocket. Feeling thirsty? Just pour yourself another glass of this refreshing juice. Improved digestion. Both watermelon and grapes are high in fiber, which can promote gut health and regularity. Say goodbye to bloating and hello to a happier tummy. Boosted energy levels. The natural sugars in both fruits can provide you with a quick and sustained energy boost. Goodbye, afternoon fatigue. Radiant skin. The vitamins and antioxidants can lead to a noticeable improvement in your skin's texture and appearance. Get ready for that healthy glow. Better heart health. With consistent intake of these powerful ingredients, you might see positive effects on your cardiovascular system. Your heart will thank you. So, are you ready to feel all these amazing benefits? Let's talk about how to make your very own frozen watermelon and grape juice. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. To create this delicious juice, you'll need 2 cups of frozen watermelon chunks, 1 cup of fresh or frozen grapes, optional, a splash of fresh lime juice for added zest. Step 2. Prepare your ingredients. If you're using fresh grapes and watermelon, chop the watermelon into chunks and make sure to wash the grapes. Step 3. Blend it up. Now it's time for the fun part. Grab your blender. If you don't already have one, we highly recommend getting our featured portable juice blender. It's perfect for making smoothies and juices on the go. Plus, it's easy to clean and rechargeable. Simply add the watermelon and grapes into your blender. You can add a little water if you prefer a thinner consistency. Blend on high until everything is well combined and smooth. Step 4. Taste and adjust. Once it's blended, take a moment to taste your juice. Feel free to add a splash of lime juice for that extra kick of flavor if desired. Step 5. Serve and enjoy. Pour your vibrant juice into a glass. For an extra touch, garnish it with a few whole grapes or a slice of lime on the rim. Now it's time to sit back, relax, and enjoy your healthy creation. So, there you have it, your delicious and nutritious frozen watermelon and grape juice. Drinking this magical concoction not only tastes fantastic, but is also packed with health benefits that can transform your body over just 1 week. I'm so excited for you to try this juice and experience all the amazing benefits. But I'd love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on these fruits? Have you tried this juice before, or do you have any favorite combinations? Let's discuss it in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more delicious recipes and health tips. Your support helps us create more inspiring content for you. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I can't wait to see you next time. Until then, stay healthy and keep blending those tasty juices. Adi.